How can pop-up drink stands become the go-to destination for boba at local events? They can win people over with a focused menu, fast service, eye-catching branding, and a fun experience people want to share. Start with a small menu that includes popular milk teas, fruit teas, and a few topping choices, because too many options can slow the line and confuse first-time customers. Offer 1 or 2 special drinks made just for that event, so customers feel they are getting something they cannot find elsewhere. Keep the menu easy to read from several steps away, and show the drink colors and toppings with clear pictures. Speed matters, because people at festivals often have limited time, so prepare tea bases, syrups, cups, and toppings before the event begins. A useful detail many new sellers miss is that ice level changes the drink's flavor, so test each recipe with the exact amount of ice and sweetness customers will receive. Let people choose sweetness and ice levels, but use simple choices such as less, regular, or extra instead of complicated measurements. Place the stand where people naturally wait, enter, or leave, and use a bright sign that can be seen above nearby crowds. Offer a small loyalty card, a photo-friendly cup design, or a topping sample to encourage repeat visits and social media posts. One common mistake is offering too many flavors, so begin with a short menu and track which drinks sell fastest. Another mistake is making customers wait while toppings are prepared, so portion toppings ahead of time and assign one person to take orders while another builds drinks. Some sellers also forget to plan for melting ice, spills, allergies, and local health rules, so bring extra ice, sealed ingredients, cleaning supplies, ingredient information, and the required permits. Do not assume a low price alone will attract customers, because a clean setup, friendly service, and consistent flavor often matter just as much. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.